So, hello everyone. My choosing topic is about IT cultures and society in chapter 5. So, my choosing topic is about automation. So, automation is it aims to reduce the necessity of people in manufacturing process, colloquially called computerizations. Having an automated system means automated business process, operation services, and providers, monitorings, and even tools. So with the use of computer systems, hardware, software, or both the typical cumbersome and error-prone procedures have become automated. So ang kaning automations is ito yung creations and application of technology na nagmo-monitor and nag-control sa production, sa delivery of products and services. So I have here two common method of implementing IT automations, which is the robotic process automation or RPA and the sensor. So the robotic process of automations or the RPA. So it is applications of technology that allows employee in a company to configure computer software or robots to capture and interpret existing applications for process and trans- transactions, manipulating data, triggering responses, and communicating with the other digital systems. RPA focuses on computers being able to make logical decisions on that their human counterparts can focus on other tasks, thus increasing work productivity. So, ang RPA is ito yung software technology na mas pinapadali ang pag-build or pag-deploy and pag-manage sa software. Software robots that emulates human actions interacting with digital system and software. So, next is the process of automation. It is ensured the finance systems such as online registrations and academic institutions offering online enrollment system among others. The use not only industrial robots but also presentations layer automation software which is capable of carrying out daily operations of an organization. So, ang process automation is ito yung nakabase sa paggamit ng technology to automate repetitively and manually tasks within a business process. So, next is the IT support management. IT support management is an automated systems immediately informed to problem of IT manager and technical support staff by sending notification. So, ang kaning IT support management is mas napapadali ng management of IT infrastructures and complex systems sa paggamit ng RPA. So, mas pinapalisin nila ang mga gagawin at mas pinapadali lang. So next is the automated assistant. The automated assistant known as a virtual assistant or digital assistant. It is a software that uses artificial intelligence to understand user commands and complete tasks. It can perform a range of services based on the user's input including the verbal command or a question. So examples automated assistants is the CC or CC Altea or both or mini artificial intelligence or AI. So, kadalasan itong ginagamit ng mga estudyante like me to search So, the second method of IO automation is the sensor. So, sensor it is a hardware devices that have the capability to measure an event, object, or any physical quality that is happening. It has capacity to connect to other devices that can keep track or data are measuring. So, ang example sa kaning sensor is the mobile phone na pwede nating i-connect sa health rate sensor para ma-record and ma-monitor ang ating kalusugan monthly or weekly. Then I have here nine types of sensors that can be classified as sensors can be classified as analog or digitals, but I have here 9 lists of sensors used in automations. The first one is temperature sensors, infrared sensor, ultrasonic sensor, touch sensor, proximity sensor, pressure sensor, level sensor, and the smoke or gas sensor. So first is the temperature sensor. It is capable of measuring temperature as well as detecting the rise and the fall. So, ang ganitong temperature sensor is ito yung nakakatulong sa systems sensitivity and temperatures tulad ng power plants and service room. So, next is the infrared sensor or IR sensor. So, this sensor is used often for security purposes and detect infrared light. So, ang infrared sensor, kadalasan itong ginagamit or nakikita sa infrared light source. So, next is the ultrasonic sensors. It is used to detect sound waves such as how radars and sonars pick up sounds. So, ang best example sa ultrasonic sensors is kadalasan ito nagkita sa light fixtures na once na pumalakpak ka is automatically nag-on at saka pag pumalakpak ulit is automatically nag-off. So, di ba once kasi na gumanon tayo is di ba may sounds. So, ang sounds is it has the waves na ma-detect sa ultrasonic sensor. So, mo siyang automatically siya nga ma-detect siya sa light fixtures na motong automatically siya nga mag-on o mag-off. So, the next is the touch sensor. Through touch, the sensors activate itself and become capable of doing its function. So, ang best example natin dani sa touch sensors is the gadgets or any kinds of mobiles. Like sa mga new or updated na mga gadgets like sa kaning sa Samsungs or any brand sa kaning sa phones na di ba kay kanang kadalasan sa mga phone is it has tawag nito, yung sa open niya is may screen may thumb na pag pinress mo na ganun is automatically nag-on or nag-off na. Di na siya magkakailangan pa ng password or pattern because your thumb is enough on it. So that is best examples of touch sensor. So next is the proximity sensors. These sensors is able to detect objects within a certain range even if object is not physically touching it. Even if not physically touching the sensors yet. So so ang kaniyang proximity sensors is kadalasan itong nakikita sa mga buildings or sa mga advanced na kagamitan sa bahay or sa hotels na pag may ma-detect na tao is automatically itong iilaw or magpa-functions na agad. So ang example sa proximity sensors is yung street light, di ba? May solar kasi na street lights na once na dumaan ka or may dumaan is automatically itong umiilaw. So next is the pressure sensors. Pressure sensors have determined the weight of or impact of certain object. It is normally used by manufacturing companies such as automobile companies in designing their airbag. So ang kaniyang pressure sensor is pag may makadetect siya kanang pressures like kanang mga bugat na bagay. Ganyan. So next is the level sensors. Level sensors is it can detect the level of liquid, fluids, grainy, or granular materials such as powder or etc. So, ang kanina po siyang level sensors is galing itong ginagamit ng mga disaster managements and monitoring the floods like sa kaning paleta o kunyari kung may bagyo or may baha, ang level sensor is kadalasan itong ginagamit kadalasan itong ginagamit para malaman kung humupa na ba or mas tumaas pa ang baha. So, lastly is the smoke and gas sensors. These sensors is used to detect the pressures or dangerous fumes such as carbon monoxides caused by fire. Smoke alarms shows how the sensors work. So, ang best example sa kaning smoke or sa gas sensors is ang kada kaning kunyari may sunog sa isang building or bahay na may smoke alarm. So kung magkaroon man ng sunog is automatically itong nadidetect ng smoke alarm. So kung may smoke alarm ka kung may smoke alarms ang isang buildings or bahay is madidetect agad nito ang smoke na pinagmulan ng sunog at saka mas mapapadali pa ang paglabas mo at mas mapunta ka sa safe na lugar. So that's all my topic about the chapter 5, which is the IT cultures and society. That's all.